This is my mom's room. And this is me. And that's the one howling, if you wonder what that is. Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with my face. I don't know if I am or not. If I am so, then hi, YouTube. It is 3:14. Not 13, 3:14. And this is one of my cats named Brooke. She's a pastel calico, and this is my cat Levi. He is gonna be my cat next year, and he's my favorite one. And there's the savage dog named Gracie. Luke, you might not see him. Luke, you might not see. Luke, you might not see him in videos because he's pretty scared of people. So, or someone he knows or someone he doesn't know. So Luke is pretty weird. I got new socks. The weather socks. They go from sunny to stormy, which is pretty awesome.